Hello everyone, welcome to Recipes. Today we are going to make a simple roasted chicken curry. For that, I have taken a chicken which is marinated for 5 minutes using quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and some salt. Now cook them until 2 whistles. To make gravy, let's dry roast a clove, 2 cardamom, a cinnamon stick, some peppercorns and cumin seeds. After few seconds, add half cup grated coconut. Dry roast it on medium flame until golden brown. To that, add some curry leaves and roast it again. To that, add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Roast it again until it turns aromatic. Transfer to a bowl. When it's cooled down, grind them into fine paste using some water. I have taken 1 potato, 1 onion, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon crushed ginger, 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. To the same pan, add our fennel seeds and roast it for few seconds. Now add our onion and curry leaves. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and saute it. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. When it's sauteed, add our green chilies and ginger. After a minute, pour our roasted coconut paste. Mix it and pour some water. Add our potatoes and mix. To our chicken, add our masala. After combining well, cook for 1 more whistle. Now our roasted chicken curry is all set to be served. You can enjoy it with paratha or chapati. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to share, subscribe and give thumbs up.